Welcome to our egg chicken farming equipment production factory. We are dedicated to designing and manufacturing efficient and advanced farming equipment, empowering agricultural modernization and improving farm productivity. In our factory, we employ advanced production techniques and technologies, and strictly control the quality to ensure that every piece of equipment possesses outstanding performance and durability. Our equipment covers various aspects of egg chicken farming, including chicken house design, automated feeding systems, smart environmental control systems, etc., aiming to enhance chicken productivity and health. By choosing our egg chicken farming equipment, you will receive top-quality products and professional after-sales services. Our team is dedicated to providing technical support, equipment maintenance, and improvement suggestions to ensure the success of your farming business. Join us to drive agricultural modernization and empower your farming venture to achieve greater success.